Welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. Let's dive into today's market recap. So, yesterday was a bit of a mixed bag for U.S. stocks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average held steady after touching the 40,000 level for the first time on Thursday. The Standard & Poor's 500 ticked just over the flat line, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite slipped just underneath it. Despite the slight shifts, all three major indexes were on track for weekly gains. The recent run-up in stocks hit a bump following comments from Fed officials, who warned that interest rates are likely to stay at historic highs for a while. This dampened the enthusiasm for a potential September rate cut, which had been fueled by encouraging inflation data earlier in the week. Friday brought a light economic and corporate calendar, leaving few jumping-off points for the Dow to make another go at crossing the key 40,000 mark. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 and Nasdaq have their own fresh records within reach. This puts the spotlight on appearances by Fed officials. On Friday, U.S. Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman reiterated her view that the central bank has not made progress this year on curbing inflation. Speaking in Nashville, Tennessee, Bowman said she is willing to raise rates again at a future meeting if incoming data shows further stalling. Fed Chair Jerome Powell was scheduled to deliver remarks at Georgetown University's law school graduation this Sunday. However, due to testing positive for COVID-19, he will now be speaking through a pre-recorded video, according to a central bank spokesperson. In individual stock movers, Reddit shares jumped 13%, nearing its highest close of $65 hit in March. The social media platform has signed a partnership with OpenAI that will see ChatGPT integrate content from its forums. Meanwhile, GameStop shares sank over 25% after the game's retailer announced it expects first-quarter sales to drop as shoppers shift to online outlets. Shares in the meme stock soared at the start of the week in an echo of the 2021 frenzy, but have turned into a slide in recent days. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to navigate these exciting times in the financial markets. Have a great day and see you next time.